Hey guys, sorry for the really long delay in between videos. We've been
Playing with our Christmas toys.
we've been playing with Christmas toys.
Yep, we got a lot of toys for Christmas and we had to play with them.
All right, so let's fill them in on what's been going on. So we are currently sitting on a piece of land that we just bought. All of our family, me and Hannah and Steven and Tori and Jeff and Steven's aunt and uncle, actually all sold our houses this year, so we're all homeless. Well, Steven's not homeless yet. He's closing next week, I think.
Almost homeless.
He's almost homeless. So the garage at my house is where we've always worked on the cars and done that kind of stuff. But now that I don't own that house,
You're getting kicked out.
I'm getting kicked out. We actually sold our house in September, but the folks that bought our house was nice enough to let me use my garage for another 6 months. So we've got, I don't know, another 2 months or so that we can use that garage. So we've got to build a new garage, and we've got some big plans on that. Over here, you can kind of see that smoky, fiery mess.
Oh, put the video clip of it.
Yeah, I'll put the video in from earlier today when we actually lit it on fire and it burned down. There used to be like a, what would you say, like a 100-year-old barn? No, it wasn't that old? It seemed really old. It was falling in.
Big.
It was pretty big. It was probably 40, 50 feet wide and probably 100 foot long. It is in rough shape, and it was sitting right on the piece of land where we wanted to build a big shop. So unfortunately, it had to come down. So I'll put
15 gallons of kerosene later. She's not looking so good anymore.
Well, it's looking pretty good. Looks like your truck's on fire, actually.
It's not. I don't think.
I think his truck's on fire. But on this land, we're going to build a big shop. It's going to be,
And our houses.
we're going to build our houses up here too. Another thing, so we all sold our houses, and I actually just quit my job.
What a bum.
Yeah, just kind of second guessing that right now because this is a lot of hard work. No, but I've actually been an insurance agent for, I guess, 10 years, and on at the end of last year, that was my last time as an insurance agent. I've decided to change paths a little bit, and I'm actually going to be the one that's going to build our big shop, the 50 by 120 shop, and then I'm going to build mine and Steven's house shortly after that. So there's going to be a lot of building going on, and I'm probably not going to put all that on this channel. This is kind of our racing channel, but I'm considering starting a new channel for all the building related stuff. Yeah, I haven't figured all that out yet, but
You still gotta build my motor though. And I want my house built very quickly. I want both very quickly. I'm thinking my motor maybe next month, and then the house maybe the next month. I'm homeless. And my race car doesn't run. What more? I mean, what am I supposed to do?
You're in rough shape.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you though, because I'm homeless too, and my engine isn't together. I don't even have parts to put my engine together.
Well, that doesn't matter. I want mine back together. I have the parts for it, so.
Guys, send help, please. Steven won't do anything. I got to do it all around here. Let's see, what else are we leaving out?
Well, you could show them this building in front of us. We're about to
Oh,
put
yeah.
a new roof on.
Yeah, so this property that we bought it's 30 acres, and it's here in Waynesville. We're not leaving Waynesville, North Carolina. That's where we're staying. We're just moving up the road to this beautiful piece of property. But on this property, and I'll turn you guys around so you can see this, but there was this block building. It's and this old cabin too that was attached to it. The roof's fallen in on the cabin, or on the block building. The cabin is in really, really rough shape. So the first order of business on this property is to tear the roof off of that and tear that cabin down. And we're actually just going to extend the roof all the way across to the edge of the foundation at the cabin. And this is all going to be our temporary shop. Here, I'll show you around. It's really dirty and muddy, and the roof's falling in. It's in really bad shape. This was used as a place where they stored their tractors and hay, and yeah, the lights are hanging down. All that's going to be tore off here in just a couple weeks. And this will be our temporary shop, so we can build a couple engines, and maybe while we build houses, maybe we'll get back to racing this year. Hopefully.
Lord willing.
Yeah. So that's the plan. We're gonna make this to where we can seal it up. We're gonna build some doors for it. Get our cars over here, and hopefully be able to tinker on those a little bit. So that's what we got going on. I know we've been kind of a ghost for a month or so. We haven't put any good videos out, or any videos for that matter.
Oh, there's gonna be some good videos on this one though with the trucks, you know.
Oh, you want me to put the truck stuff in there?
We're
How long have we owned this property?
Just a month, isn't it?
No, we closed the week of Christmas, right? The week before Christmas. Yes. Okay, so we bought this property the week before Christmas. Literally the first day on this property, Steven got his truck stuck.
I was exploring.
No explanation needed. I'll put the video. I'll put the video in here. And then as we're up here working today, this is Saturday. We burned the barn and we've just been cleaning up around. Steven got stuck again.
Yeah. The truck's a piece of junk, you know. It needs a locker or something in it.
So
I don't think 4-wheel drive's doing too hot.
We've owned this property less than 2 weeks, and Steven has gotten stuck twice. So we're off to a really good start.
Yeah.
And I've had to pull him out both times.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So we'll put those videos in here. Isla Kate, what happened?
Uncle got stuck.
Uncle got stuck? We've owned this property for 1 day now, and Uncle's already stuck.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can go save him. What happened?
I was just looking around and then I got stuck. I just got my truck stuck. Chris said, oh, I'll just drive through it and come through out on the other side. Well, he did. I'll be. That's ridiculous. I need a new truck.
Well, guys, this makes twice that Steven has gotten stuck.
It ain't stuck.
1,
to keep you updated on the huge shop that we're going to build. Should be big enough for us to put the toter home and trailer in.
And Dad.
And he's going to live in there.
We're going to put Dad in there and the truck.
Yeah, we're going to put Jeff in that building. We're going to build him some living quarters in there, along with the truck and trailer. And we're also going to have room for lots of race car stuff. Is that it? Have we filled him in on everything?
Well, we got a bunch of race car parts coming in, but
yeah, we're not going to tell him about that yet. Okay, we're going to leave. Oh, we got T-shirts. Don't forget about the T-shirts.
Neither one of us got one on today. What a
bunch
of goobers.
We're supporting Motion Racework. Oh, you got a Motion Raceworks hat on.
Hey, Doug. Shout out to Doug. He's our buddy.
Hey, Doug. Okay, so yeah, we'll leave it off there, and hopefully we'll see you guys in a couple weeks when we get started on this stuff. See ya.